Alright, welcome back. This socket is faulty. The earth is not functioning. I will want to test and check and see what is the problem with this socket tester. So we see on number 1 here, the root outlet is wired correctly. So let's see whether our live and neutral and earth is working. Alright, so when we put it, we saw that the third one is not coming. So when we see on the socket tester, the second line says missing earth. So let's remove it and check whether maybe the earth in the socket has a problem. When we check, we saw that the earth is connected well. But how can we know? We can only know by checking the voltage between live and neutral and live and earth. And we have to use this instrument, multimeter. So let's connect. Let's change our probe to 750. We put it at 750 because the voltage will be more than 200. So let's use our probe and check neutral and live and neutral. So you first of all put it at neutral. Let's put it at neutral. Black to neutral and then red to live, as we can see. And you see we have 239. So let's check voltage between what live and earth. So live and earth, we are seeing 0.97, which is less than 1 volt. That means there's a problem with the earth. So we'll go to the main switch and see what is the problem with the earth. As we come to the main switch or the distribution board, we saw that there are two C.P.C. So this is one of the C.P.C. and this is the second C.P.C. And we saw an earthing conductor. This is the 16 mm going to the ground. So let's see. Okay, well, we see another one here. Okay, so this is not connected. This is not connected. So it might be, let's connect it and go back to the socket. Let's go back to the socket and see whether our 3 lights will work. Alright, so we have connected the cable that is removed from this terminal. So we'll go back to the socket and test with the socket tester to see whether those 3 lights will be on. So before we use the socket tester, let's check the voltage between live and neutral and live and earth again. So we have our neutral and live. Our neutral and live. And we have 233, 234. So let's check between earth and live. Let's check between earth and live. And when we check, we have 235. Alright, so now that is working. Now we can use our socket. So now that is working, we can plug in our socket tester and check whether these 3 lines will come. Alright, so we plug. And when we plug, we see all the 3 lines is on now. All the 3 lines is on now. So meaning we have our problem is solved. We'll close the socket and then connect the socket tester again, because sometimes after closing, maybe there can be loose contact. So let's close the socket and test it again with the socket tester. So we have closed the socket. So we are going to put the socket tester inside the socket. So after we put the socket tester, let's put it on and see. So okay, so we see after we put it on, all the 3 lights is on. So our problem is solved. Alright, continue to follow me so that I will show you how to trace faults and solve problem in electrical engineering. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye for now.